Welcome back, random YouTube people. Today, we're going to talk about that gross ring in your toilet and how to get rid of it. Subscribe. If you clicked on this video, I'm sure you have a toilet ring and you're anxious to get rid of it. Let me show you how. It's very, very simple. Grab one of these pumice stone toilet cleaners. Link in the description. Don't worry, this is safe on your porcelain. As long as you get the pumice stone wet first, you can begin scrubbing off the ring. The ring is a buildup of hard water and other splendid things. But don't worry, you can see as I'm starting to scrub, the line is already going away. Just sit and do this until the ring is completely gone, or at least to your liking. That's looking pretty good. Let's give the toilet a flush and see where we're at. I still see a faint line, so let's keep going. Flush number 2. No pun intended. And there you have it. The ring is pretty much gone. Continue this process until you are satisfied. To keep your toilet bowl nice and clean and ring-free, grab one of these automatic toilet bowl cleaners. These are just some cheaper ones I found on Amazon. They're good for about 600 flushes. There's a brand called Crazy Clean that claims to last for 10 years, but they're $33 a pop, and I didn't want to spend that money on toilet bowl cleaning. As you can see, there are some pretty straightforward instructions on the device. You just take off the wrapping, put it in your toilet bowl tank, and you're good for 600 flushes. Please leave a like on this video and make sure to subscribe.